Recently, I took my wife's car up to my buddy Jordy's house. It was having this clunking sound on the front tires area. Clunk, 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 clunk. I'm not real great with cars. I can change the oil. I can do some front brake pads, but you know, when it gets into like heavy mechanical stuff, I don't know what to do. So I called up Jordy and I said, hey Jordy, will you take a look at this car? And he's like, bring it over, bring it over. So I took it up there. My wife and I are gonna go pick it up today. I got this sand blaster. That was my dad's. And we're gonna give it to Jordy. Something I could do for him. All right, let's load this thing up. Jordy's is about an hour away up on Camino Island. So we are on our way there now. My wife and I. We're out here at JJ's shop.
Mr. Beavers and
Mrs. Beavers.
What a wonderful car to work on.
Was it easy?
Oh my gosh, probably one of the best.
We
We were done that night. Yeah. So
Not like the BMWs and your Mercedes, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, we're still fighting on that one. Got Mrs. Beaver's car all taken care of here. I think we came up with about $1,600 what we saved you on here.
Wow.
Yeah. The all the suspension parts and stuff, which we will have linked in our video on JJ's shop. It originally looked like you guys did okay on the brakes, but you know, 50% pads. But then after we came out here in the daylight and saw some of the rear rotors, which seems again a little bit odd, but hey man, the evidence was there. Yeah. We had heat fractured rotors. We had grooves on the back side of one rotor. I'm not really quite sure what happened there, but you definitely had shocks that were. You got all the miles you're going to get out of those ones.
Yeah.
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 Of course, the torsion bar links on the end.
Was that the clunking noise? The big clunking noise?
We believe so. I didn't hear anything more.
Yeah.
Like you said, when you first put it in gear, I drove it out of the driveway that day that you dropped it off, and I could hear the clunk right when I shifted it in gear, and that would have been that.
Yeah. Yeah.
So front end lifting up and.
Well, that's awesome, Jordy.
Yeah.
That
so there
awesome.
You go.
Well, I brought some gifts along with me.
Oh, buddy.
So
I need that.
Yeah.
I need that. Thank you very much.
Yeah. So you think this was it?
Yeah. So this is how they're supposed to be.
Nice.
Try and give that thing a little pull right there.
Oh yeah,
That's how they're supposed to be.
Oh yeah, look at that. That was a wiggle.
Yeah.
Oh
And
man.
it was
Clunky. Oh wow, look at that.
right into your strut right there,
Wow.
like that.
You replaced the whole thing.
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, that's your strut shocks, and then your rear shocks are just shocks, right?
Yeah.
So, but
Oh yeah, look at that. Wow.
yeah.
Shot.
So, they were done.
Wow.
They were done.
That's
You
awesome.
got all your miles out of those ones. Let me give. Oh, that's my key.
I'll take that one too.
Well, you probably that one's not. There we go. There we go. That I think you would enjoy driving that one now.
It's a stick. She could drive a stick.
That's a 5-speed.
Yeah, I do know how to drive a stick.
Yeah, good. That is
Those
awesome.
generations,
Yeah,
they don't
I'm
know how
telling you,
anymore.
They don't. They don't. Jeffrey doesn't even know.
Oh really?
No.
They're actually really fun.
Yeah, that's why we got that one over there. As I said, that one's a 6-speed over there.
And I drove a stick in San Francisco and Seattle.
Nice.
Well, thank you, Jordy.
You betcha.
JJ's shop. Really appreciate it.
We appreciate the chance to work on it and the chance to do a collaboration.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to watching that video. You know, see how you did stuff, and you have a whole lot more knowledge about working with cars than I do.
Yeah.
So I feel confident that you were the guy to do the job.
It's a good rig. It was nice to work on something other than the beaters that I normally work on.
Well, tell Jeffrey thank you.
You bet you will.
Really appreciate it, and we will see you again.
Alrighty, thank you very much.